In today's tech tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use comments in HTML. So here's our example page. As you can see, we've got two buttons here, both showing up. And you can see those that they're both in the HTML, just as button tags. Now, a comment in HTML will be an opening bracket, exclamation point, dash, dash. As you can see, without it, it breaks. But you do that. And then at the end of the line, or where you want the comment to end, you can do that. And this does allow for multi-line commenting. See? And nothing gets shown up there. You can see it's all grayed out. So let's try it on one of the buttons. Now let's take out the button, new tab, same domain. Let's just say, man, I really don't want this on my web page right now. You can do that. Put the commenting stuff on. I used the hotkey Control/. It's in some IDEs. And let's go ahead and save it and refresh our page. And as you can see, button is now gone. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the HTML in the console here. Go to body, and you can see that while the button doesn't show up on here, that code is not executed on the page, it's not visible. You can, however, see it in the HTML document itself from the browser. See that we've commented out. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.